only one book, only one book. By reading only one book, several transformations are going to be happen in your life. Remember that. So then if you start reading multiple, then so your knowledge, your way of thinking, your way of doing the things, your way of investments, your way of success, everything is going to be changed, friends. Okay, believe me. A simple example I can tell. Okay, so I read one book. I read one book. How to win friends and influence people. Best book. It's a Bible for human relations. Okay, it's that much powerful book. After reading, the way of treating the people, the way of behaving with the people completely changed. Completely changed. Okay, so in myself, so the way how I am behaving with the people, how I'm respecting the people, how I'm treating the people, completely changed. So it's impacted like anything. So in my day-to-day activities, friends, I told in the last series is multiple times. One of my very senior faculty, okay, of course, who worked in DURGASOFT, is so he asked. We were there in Hotel Minerva just for lunch. So all the team were there. Then that person, that faculty, asked one question. Nageshwara sir, okay, he wrote CoreJava blog book, all this. He asked one question, very senior person. Durga, have you studied that book, How to Win Friends and Influence People? He asked me. Then really, okay, I didn't get surprised because the reason is I know he studied that book. Then only he's asking that question to me. The second, why he's asking that question is in my actions, that book reflecting the knowledge what I got from that book reflecting. Very simple. That book is always going to tell, give very much importance for the opposite person. Behave like you are nothing in front of opposite person. Okay, so give very much importance, give very much respect for the opposite person. Okay, like that book is telling. So usually if I'm going with my team for lunch and so on, so first I will set all the people, and at last I will be there. At last I will be there. Okay, so that's one reason. Okay, that's one reason. Okay, immediately he identified that. He identified that. Okay, sir, have you read that book? Like he asked me. Okay, because he's observing in my behavior. Okay, so I hope you are in the position to understand. Next, moreover, one more. Just that book influence like anything, friends. Believe me. Next, who not I told. There is one book. I didn't even we didn't cover this. So do you know? There is a book, The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon. Okay, there is a book is there. I have a number of debts related to. So we require to take the loans and we require to invest in real estate. Like we had multiple loans also there. Then I read that book. That book told a simple story, a simple point. Okay, if you want to become richest person, the richest man in Babylon, that is the book title itself. If you want to become the richest person, okay, what you require to do is just a simple thing. A simple thing you require to do that. Okay, a simple thing you require to do that. What that is? A simple thing you require to do that. Yes, 10% of your revenue, whatever you are getting, 10%. 10%, can you please separate for savings, for investments? Okay, 10%. Suppose today I got 1 lakh salary. Separating 10,000 rupees is not a big deal. Not a big deal. Still I have 90,000 is there. I can enjoy 90,000. Just 10% separate. 10% separate. Okay, for your future saving, for future investments, or for saving sake, or for emergency fund somewhere. Next, if you have debts are there, loans are there, separate 20% for loans, for loans, to clear your debts, to clear your loans. Do you know that simple principle? Consistently I used, then do you know a lot of savings are there for my future investments. Next, multiple majority of my debts got cleared just with a simple rule. Consistently, what I did, 10%, 20%, 30% is not mine. Okay, 70% is mine. Now, whatever I'm getting in that 70%, I can adjust. So 70% adjusting is not a big deal. Array, without the pain, I cleared multiple loans. Without pain, I cleared multiple loans. Even I don't know when those loans got cleared. Okay, huge amounts got deposited just because of that 10% rule. Really, friends, forget about that person, that old guy is telling, okay, whether you believe or not. Yes, I'm the practical example. Yes, with the books, with these books knowledge, your lives are going to be changed. Believe me.